Regression machine learning with Python. The objective of this course is for you to learn regression machine learning main concepts from a basic to an expert level while you practice with Standard & Poor's 500 ETF prices using Python programming language as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to select relevant predictor algorithm feature subset through univariate filter methods, deterministic wrapper methods, and embedded methods. Extract predictor algorithm feature transformations through principal component analysis. Train algorithm for mapping optimal relationship between target and predictor features through linear regression, rich regression, k-nearest neighbors, decision tree, random forest, gradient boosting machine, support vector machine, and artificial neural network. Select optimal linear regression coefficients regularization, number of nearest neighbors, maximum tree depth, error term penalization, node connection weight decay regularization parameters through time series cross-validation. Test algorithm for evaluating previously optimized relationship forecasting accuracy through scale-dependent metrics. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate at any knowledge level who wants to learn about regression machine learning using Python programming language. You're an academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in data mining, applied statistical learning, or artificial intelligence. You're a business data scientist who desires to apply this knowledge in areas such as consumer analytics, finance, banking, healthcare, e-commerce, or social media.